This is a short one on doing a repair of a single large hole in a travertine floor. This floor needs a little bit of work, but before we refinish it I thought it necessary to fill this crater. I'm using Bondstone Ultimate Buff color for this. This tile is one of the lighter ones in the floor, so the color ended up a little darker than I would have liked, but the customer loves the way it looks. I think if I were to do it again, I would lighten the color a little bit. You can see the shrunken polyester resin filler in the lower right of the close-ups. This one looks a lot better in person, so I decided not to dig it out and fill it, but looking at it now, it probably needed to be done. And when we go back to refinish the floor, I probably will have it done. The adhesive takes a little under an hour to cure, and the floor must be dry, so doing this on a different day than the day you refinish will yield the best result. Once this repair is completed, it will not shrink or crack and will not come out unless the stone around it degrades. You can see that this tile is degrading a little, so we may be back in the future, but this type of repair provides the best long-term value to the customer. The abrasives used here are screens used with a Rotex on a Festool vacuum. I'm using a few different grids of screens to flatten the adhesive and bring the hone up. After the screens, I switch to a more traditional diamond abrasive, then a polishing powder. Sanding the adhesive down and bringing the tile to polish takes less than 30 minutes. But if you are performing a repair using Bondstone Ultimate or any other Bondstone product that is a urethane, you need to be patient with the adhesive. Don't start sanding until you cannot get a blade to leave a mark when you push in on it. Ultimate is a two-part adhesive that is sensitive to temperature, so if it is cold, you will need to wait a little longer or heat the area. If you want it to cure faster, you can heat the hole or the area around the hole prior to installing the Ultimate, or add an accelerator to your mix. As you can see here, the sanding process opened up a few more holes around the repair. Normally it may have been better to Dremel out the soft areas, but I did not want to make the area too large. I want the repair to look as natural as possible. For the sake of longevity, I didn't want to make this video too long, so what you don't see here is me backfilling all these areas and the same process of blending in the finish. If you are looking to have your travertine repaired and refinished, consider using a SureShine Service Network owner. Our owners have been trained in the field and are held accountable to the quality and the value that they provide. This is not a franchise network, this is a peer network of highly trained technicians. We have worked hard to be the experts in our field, and the team works together to improve each other's skills and offer the highest quality at the best value. Check out the network at SureShineServiceNetwork.com. We look forward to working with you.